Hey guys, in today's video, I wanted to share with you my favorite Instagram story hacks for 2019. If you're new here, hi, I'm Louise of solopreneurs.sidekick.com. I put out new videos every single week all about making the tech in your online business easier. So if you have an online business or you're dreaming about starting an online business, definitely hit subscribe down below. All right, so let's dive into the hacks. I'm sure you might know a few of them, but hopefully some are brand new to you. So the first trick is how to share your post or other people's posts to your Instagram story. Okay, so let's say that I wanted to share my most recent post on Instagram. So what I'm going to do is go to that post. Then I'm going to click this little paper plane icon right here. And then I'm just going to click add post to your story. Okay, awesome. So you have a few options here. If you click on your username, you can actually change the way that this displays. So you can have that as an option. And then one of my favorite tricks is changing the background color. So all you need to do is come up here to your little pencil icon, choose a color, and then you're going to hold down on the background. Awesome. And you're not just limited to the colors along the bottom here. You can actually hold down on one of these colors and it is going to reveal a color wheel and give you way more options in terms of color. So then all you need to do is hit done and then click on this little sticker icon here, go over to GIFs. So if you're wondering also how you add GIFs, this is how you do it. And then you're just going to type in tap. And you'll see quite a few tap here GIFs. So I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to place it over here on top of my latest photo, and then people will know to tap there and they will be able to go to my profile and look at that post. So let's go ahead and post that. So I'm going to share that to my story. So let's go over to my story. Now, if I click on my story, I'm going to see that. And if someone clicks on it, it's going to say see post. You can click on that and go directly to that Instagram post and read your caption. And it's not just your post that you can do this with. You can actually do this with your friends' posts as well, or people that you follow. Okay, so for example, this is my friend Morgs. She is amazing at Instagram and so inspiring, so you should definitely go and follow her. So let's say that I wanted to share her most recent post. I'm going to click on that, and the same rules apply. So I'm going to click on that paper plane icon and add the post to my story, and you can go ahead and follow the same steps from before. And this is a new one that you might not have seen yet. Instagram just added a quiz feature, so let me show you that now. Okay, so all you need to do is click on that plus sign to add your story. So you can take a quick photo and then click on the sticker icon again. And now you'll see a quiz option. So click on that and you want to ask a question that has a correct answer. So for example, what's my fave color? And then you're going to type in your answers here. So for example, blue, yellow, or purple. And then you're just going to tap on the one that is the right answer. So fun fact, the answer is yellow. So you're going to hit done, and then this is what that quiz is going to look like, and you can resize that however you want. So next, we are actually going to exit out of Instagram and open up my favorite graphic design app ever. This is going to allow you to create really stunning and unique branded images. So you want to download the Canva app, and then when you open it up, this is what you're going to see. Now you just need to click on Instagram Story, and you'll see all of these beautiful templates that you can customize for your brand. So for example, let's say that I like this one. I'm going to click on that, and then all I need to do is tap on each element to customize it. So for example, to change the background color, all I need to do is tap on it and then change it to my own brand color. So this is how you get those really impressive looking Instagram stories. And then all you need to do is hit this down arrow to save it to your camera roll. The next trick is how to easily create a time lapse. Pretty funny, I messed this up the other day. I filmed a video and then I sent it over to Nathan and I was like, hey, can you make a time lapse? And he was like, well, you could have just filmed it as a time lapse. So that is why I want to share this trick with you guys. Okay, so to create this time lapse, you're going to click on camera and then you're going to scroll over to where it says time lapse. Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna flip it to me and I just wanna do a time lapse of me working. So I'm going to put it over here. That's good right there. Oh. Okay, awesome. Then I'm going to click time lapse and just work for a few minutes. Not even a few minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to add that time lapse to my Instagram story. So I'm just going to click here. And then I'm just going to move this up and that will bring up all my recent videos. Click on that. And as you can see, it's created a really cool time lapse. Obviously, it'll look even better if you do it longer, but yeah, so that's a fun trick on how to create a time lapse. Next, I wanted to show you how to go live with 2 people. Okay, so to go live, just hit the plus sign on your profile picture. And then to go live, you're just going to scroll over to live, and then you have to go live first before you can invite someone, and they need to be watching your live in order for you to invite them. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit go live. It's going to check your connection, which is not great right now, to be honest. Okay, awesome. We are back. Hi, everyone. To anyone watching, I'm filming a YouTube tutorial right now. Okay, so basically what I need is for Nathan to hop on to this live video. So hopefully he appears soon. I don't see him yet. Okay, there he is. So once Nathan has come up, then I can just click on the 2 happy faces, and I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on Nathan's profile and then hit add. And now I am waiting for Nathan to join. Hi, everybody, for anyone coming on. Hi, Nathan. And when you are done your live, you're just going to hit end in the top right corner. So now let's slide over to your DMs and make sure that you know about all of these features. But basically, you can now send personalized videos and voice notes to people, so definitely a handy tool for all you entrepreneurs out there. Okay, so let's go into my DMs and let's go into my chat with Stevie Says Social. She's actually going to be on my channel on Friday, which I'm super excited about. So basically, you'll see here all the options that you have to send someone in a DM. So if I wanted to send her a voice note, I could just hit this little microphone icon and then I can chat. And if I release this, it's going to send. And if I don't want to send it to her, I can just slide this over and delete it. So you can do that. You can also send an image. If you click on this plus sign down here, you'll see that you can also send some GIFs if you would like. This one is actually quick replies. You, of course, can heart it. And if you want to send a video, you just need to click on this camera icon. And then you can hold down the middle circle to take a video. And when you're done, release that. And then you can hit send to send it in the chat. And finally, don't forget to use your Instagram highlights and customize those highlight covers. I did a video on this recently, so I will link to that above. Alright guys, so those are my favorite Instagram story hacks so far for 2019. Hopefully some of these were brand new to you. Let me know in the comments which ones were. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!